we've got our Easter Golden Box Hunt. So if you want to see which of my friends are joining me, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy behind me is Dexter. He's very curious. He is a new addition to our family. We got him right around the fall from a neighbor, and he's just the most sweetest cat. He gives hugs and kisses, and he's just such a sweetheart. Chloe's in the other room. She just got home from school, and Bandit, well, it's supper time, so he's out there eating his supper. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, beauty, fashion, all kinds of stuff like that, collabs like this. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So every year now, and I don't know if this is maybe our 4th or 5th Easter Golden Box Hunt, but Vicki over at Miss Jackie Russell puts together a group of gals. She's kind of spearheads it. I like to do the ads and stuff. And each of us that participates, we go and we purchase a box new to our channel. Now, sometimes it's something we haven't gotten in a while. Maybe there's been changes, but it is new to our channel. Maybe just new for a little while. And we showcase it. And because this is a collab, each of us has our own specific subscriber give back, but then there is one grand prize winner. So the rules are down below, but you do have to be publicly subscribed to every person in the collab. You have to have a public profile so we know, and you have to leave a comment and like everybody's videos. Now, you don't have to participate in everybody's subscriber give back. Each of us will have our own. Mine is always a mystery. It depends upon the person who wins and what their preferences are, whether it's makeup or skincare or that kind of stuff. But you can only win from one channel. Now, if you do win from a channel, we do have a collaborative prize. So there was a grand prize winner. So each of us will put our winners in as a semifinalist, and then one name will be chosen to receive the box of their choice. So we are in the hunt for the best box. It's not a competition between us. It's just kind of some fun, something that we wanted to try, something new to us, and something we hope that you love. But even if you don't, that's all right. So you are going to rate each of us and let us know who had the best box. So what you can do is, after you have watched all the videos, I want you to go back to Miss Jackie Russell's channel, and I want you to tell her who had the best box out of all of us. All right, now that's if you're the winner and it's not what was chosen as the best box, that is fine. You get to choose which subscription box you would like, and you will get a 1-month subscription. So with mine, I got one that you have to customize. So if you choose mine and you are the grand prize winner, what I'll have to do is check in with you to get your customization choices so that I can customize it for you and send it out. All right, well, all the rules are down below. You do have to be 18 or over. And for my personal what I'm going to send you, you do have to have a mailing address in the US because of shipping restrictions, tariffs, and all that. It's become significantly more costly and more difficult to mail out of the country. I don't know about the other folks involved in this club, but check them out. Okay, so that's enough talking. What did I choose? Well, y'all know I love me some FabFitFun. So I decided to try their beauty edit. Now I do, because this is a monthly, I do like to have 3 months worth. I did order this when I customized back in February for my annual spring box or seasonal spring box, and it didn't come, and it didn't come, and then on March 1st I had to go ahead and customize my next box. Well, my next box came in and I still haven't gotten the one from February, so I reached out to them because the tracking set hasn't changed since February 17th. It's just lost in transit somewhere. Hasn't moved since the 17th. And they said, unfortunately, it looks like your box is lost. We're not going to be able to get it to you. So we're going to credit you the box plus an additional $7 in our shop. So you can go ahead and use that credit within the next 6 months. And it's not like I won't use it within the next 6 months, because next customization, every last penny that will be used. So this is $29.99 plus taxes. So for me, it came to like 32 and change. And let's get into it. So there were, I think, 5 choices. Now I screenshot all the choices, but I don't know, I don't know where the categories begin or end. All right, so you open it up. And there is your sneak peek. Okay, looks like 4 choices. So my first choice was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I do love this product. I love this brand. Everything just smells fantastic. And this is a summer staple for me. So I was glad to get this. Now, one thing I will tell you, if you are a subscriber, and I think this goes more for the annual versus the seasonal subscribers, you have to choose on the 1st of the month. No, this would be for both. Yeah, so if you are a subscriber, you choose your beauty box on the 1st of the month. There's been no spoilers. What I noticed, and what I saw somebody else say that they noticed, was that the same choices are available in the box. So when you have to customize on the same month that you're going to customize your seasonal box, unfortunately, you're not going to know what is going to be available as far as for the customization. You're not going to necessarily know what's going to be available for access to choose in your seasonal box. So that is one downside. I'd like to see some spoilers. FabFitFun does put out spoilers for their seasonal box, but sometimes you don't see everything until you get closer to that date to customize, which is often not close to the 1st of a month. So there is that. You're going to take your chances with that. Next, by Kosas, I chose the Soul Gazer Lengthening and Lifting Peptide Mascara. I've heard some really good things about this. This is in black. I would have preferred a brown. I've been really into brown or burgundy. All right, but it is very pretty mascara. Not that I need another mascara. I just don't know what the other choices were, to be honest. Then by Kosas, I chose the Wet Lip Oil in Cola, which is a shimmer rich brown. So I am wearing one of the ones that I customized in my box, which was a pinky color, and it really came out as sheer. All right, and even this is sheer with just a little bit of a hint of a cola color. Smells like chocolate though. And then I have by Origins is the Ginger Souffle Whipped Body Cream. Oh, it does smell like fresh ginger. I will give it that. So those were my 4 items. I will say I do feel like Ipsy is a better deal. It's a little bit more, but you're getting 5 items. And I don't know, I just feel like it's a little bit of a better deal than this. We'll see. I would have liked to have shown you at least 2 months worth. Unfortunately, I'm not able to do that. And by the time I customize for April, it'll be too late to get that in this video. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do I have the Easter Golden Box? I'm going to tell you, I haven't seen anybody else's. I do know what a couple of people chose, and I probably don't. I'm not going to be hurt if you say you did not have the Golden Box. I am fine with that because I honestly don't think that I did either. I don't know that I will continue this. I like to do 3 months worth before I make a decision. But as of right now, my first impression is you're not getting as much bang for your buck as I would like. Also, I wasn't nuts about most of the choices. I was like, I'll pick this. I'll pick that. Whatever. That happens with Ipsy a lot, but then when I get it, I'm like, oh, wow, all right, that's pretty exciting. So let me know your thoughts, though. Maybe this is your Golden Box. I don't know. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Check out all my friends. Give them a like. Give them a subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.